Hello developers, my name's Adrian, and today I wanted to ask you, is your React Native app 64-bit compliant? So in August 2019, Google did ask if we can start making all apps 64-bit compliant. This means that they would like a 32-bit and a 64-bit version of the app available for the Play Store depending on what device people have. Starting February 1st, 2020, you won't be able to roll out apps at all which aren't both 32-bit and 64-bit compliant. In this next section, I'll show you how to enable those features and how to create a 64-bit build that will upload to the Play Store. Here's an example of a project I have that's running version 60.4 of React Native. You want to open up your Android app build.grendel file, and you'll want to scroll down to splits.abi, and you want to make sure that your settings in here include a 64-bit and 32-bit version of the builds. You'll also want to scroll down to application variations and make sure that those builds are also added in there. Once that's done, assemble the release by running the command below and you'll have a build that is 64-bit compliant. I hope this gives you a good idea of how to get ready for the new Play Store changes. If you have any feedback or any recommendations on videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks.